Good morning children, welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about the volume. What is meant by volume? The amount of space inside a solid is called its value. So how much space one solid occupies, how much space inside of it, it is called its volume. Suppose we will take one box. How much space the box occupies inside it? That is called its volume. The amount of space inside a solid is called its volume. The standard unit for measuring the volume of a solid is cubic centimeter. We have measured the volume is in cubic centimeters and cubic meters also. Cubic centimeters or cubic meters. But what is the standard unit to measure the volume? Cubic centimeters. In that solids, this class we are learning about cuboid and cube. So first one is cuboid. What is a cuboid? A solid that has 6 rectangular faces. Which solid having 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. A solid that has 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. So it is called a cuboid. Here this box is containing 6 faces. But what is the shape of the 6 faces? Each shape is a rectangle shape. So that a solid that has 6 rectangular faces is called a cuboid. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are all different. So in this cuboid having 6 rectangular faces, so in this it is called length of the cuboid, it is breadth, it is height. Length, breadth, height. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are all different. Length, breadth and height are different. So examples of a cuboid, you know, duster. Do you know the duster? Yes, the duster, pencil box, a book, a shoe box, a brick, eraser. These are all will be the examples of a cuboid. So what will be there in the shape? Duster, eraser, pencil box, brick. Yes, brick and a book. Book also will be there in the shape of a cuboid and a shoe box. That all will be the shape of a cuboid. So next one is volume of a cuboid. To find how much space inside of this box occupies, it is called its volume. How much space it occupies we have to find. So what is the volume of a cuboid? How? It is length into breadth into height. This box is how much space inside of the box, it is called its volume. So we have to find the volume of this cuboid, length into breadth into height. So volume of a cuboid formula, length into breadth into height, L into B into H. Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height, L into B into H. What is meant by volume? The amount of space inside a solid. So here if you take the box, that box inside how much space it occupies, it is called its volume. So how to find the volume of this cuboid? The volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height or L into B into H. Next one is cube. A cuboid having equal length, breadth and height is called a cube. It is a cube. In a cuboid, do you know the cuboid? In the cuboid, length, breadth and height are equal. That means here length, breadth, height, these three will be equal. So if these three we are taking it is a side. All will be equal. So it is called a cuboid. Cube. A cuboid having equal length, breadth and height is called a cube. In cuboid, length, breadth and height are equal. It makes a cube. It has 6 square faces. The face of each cube is square shape. The face of a cuboid is rectangle shape. So what is the example of a cube? Dice, sugar cube, ice cube, chalk piece box. These are all will be the examples of a cube. These are all will look like a cube shape. So next we have to find the volume of a cube. So how much space it occupies inside of the cube, that is called its volume. We have to find the before volume of a cuboid. What is the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Their length, breadth and height are equal, then it forms a cube, no? So it is, each side will be equal. So volume of a cube is equal to side into side or S into S. Yes, everybody open your textbook, page number 166, exercise 7.6. In the first question, find the volume of these objects. They gave the objects. We have to find the volume of these objects. They gave length, height, breadth, length, height, breadth given. So it is in the shape of length, breadth, height given means it is in the shape of a cuboid. So we have to find the volume of this cuboid. So what is the given first question? A Roman first question, what is given? So length, highest number is length. Length is equal to 25 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 15 centimeter. Height is equal to 2 centimeter. Height is equal to 2 centimeter. We have to find the volume. So volume of the given one is in which shape? Volume of the cuboid. Volume of the cuboid. So what is the volume of a cuboid formula? It is equal to length into breadth into height. So length 25 centimeter into breadth 15 centimeter into height 2 centimeters. So first we have to multiply these two. 15 5s are 75, 15 2s are 30 plus 7 375 into 2. Here centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, volume we have to measure in cubic centimeters. So we have right here cubic centimeter. So multiply with 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 1, 15, 2 3s are 6, 1, 7, 750 cubic centimeter. Second question, the second one is in the shape of a cube. So here length, breadth, height all will be equal, 35 centimeter, 35 centimeter, 35 centimeter. So it is a cube. So we have to find the volume of a cube. So length, breadth, height are equal means what it is? They gave side. So side is equal to 35 centimeter. Side is equal to 35 centimeter. So volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to S into S. 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter into 35 centimeter. So we have to multiply these three. 35 35s 12,000, 25, 1225 into 35 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So multiply with 35 5s are 175, 17 will be there. 35 2s are 70, 70 plus 17, 87. 35 2s are 70 plus 8, 78. 35 1s are 35 plus 7, 42. So 42,875 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Next, third figure, it is in the shape of a cuboid. So what is the highest one here? 53, take it as length. Next highest one 36, take it as breadth. Next one is 10 centimeters, it is height. So here it is length, it is breadth, it is height ma. Length 53 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, height 36 centimeter we have to take. So what we have to find? Length, breadth, height given. So length 53, Third one is length 53, breadth 36 centimeter, height 10 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of, this is in the shape of a cuboid, so we have to find the volume of a cuboid. So what is the volume of a cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. Next, second question, B question. Find the volume of cubes with the following sides. They give side, we have to find the volume. So B Roman first question is 4 centimeters. That means they gave side. Side is equal to 4 centimeter. Side is equal to 4 centimeter. We have to find volume of cube. Volume of cube. Volume of a cube is equal to, what is the formula? S into S. That means side into side. Side here 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeters. So we can multiply directly small numbers. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Next, second one in that 8 centimeter you can do 6. Remaining all you have to do. Next, C in that sixth one is, B Roman sixth one is 16 centimeter given. 16 centimeter. We have to find the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to S into S into S. S into S. S how much? 16 centimeter into 16 centimeter into 16 centimeter. So 16 how much? 256. 256 into 16 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So we have to multiply with 16. 16 6 are 96. 9. 16 5 are 80 plus 9. 89. 16 2s are 32 plus 8. 40. So 4096 cubic centimeter. Next, see the C Roman. Find the volume of the cuboids with the following lengths, breadths and heights. So length, breadth, height given, we have to find the volume of the cuboid. In that first one is C Roman, first question. Length L is equal to 18 centimeter, comma breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, comma H is equal to 6 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. What is the volume of a cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height is equal to L into B into H. Length is equal to 18 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 18 tens are 180. 186 are 18 tens are 180 into 6 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So 600, 6 8s are 48, 6 1s are 6 4 plus 4 10, 1080 cubic centimeter. Same remaining all problems you have to do the same method. In that sixth one, length is equal to 22 centimeter, comma breadth is equal to 11 centimeter, comma H is equal to 9 centimeter. Same here also we have to find the volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. What is the volume of a cuboid formula? Volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is equal to 22 centimeter, breadth 11 centimeters into height 9 centimeters. So first multiplying these two, 11 2s are 22, 11 2s are 22 plus 2 24 into 9 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So multiply with 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 37, 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 21. So 2178 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Next, see the D Roman, solve these word problems. First question, a box of length 30 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter and height 50 centimeter is filled with oil. What is the volume of the oil that has been filled in the box? How much quantity of oil will be there in that box? We have to find now. So length 30 centimeter, breadth 30 centimeter, height 50 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of the oil in the box. So volume of the oil in the box means what we have to do? It is in the shape of a cuboid. So we have to find the volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. Do the multiplication, you will get the answer. Second question, find the volume of an ice cream brick of length 22 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter, height 8 centimeter. Ice cream brick, that means ice cream bar, it will be in the shape of a cuboid. Length, breadth, height given, we have to find the volume of a cuboid. So volume of a cuboid formula, length into breadth into height. Next, see the third question. There is a flower bed 80 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter deep in Shruti's garden. So there is a flower bed that will be there. It is in the shape of a cuboid, 80 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter depth that. Find the volume of the soil the gardener dug out to make the bed. How much soil is taken out from that flower bed? He want to make the flower bed, then he remove the soil from that. So how much soil he can remove? So we have to find the volume. Length, long for length, wide for breadth, deep for height. Long for length, breadth, wide for breadth, deep for height. So length, breadth, height given. Find the volume of a flower bed. So volume of the soil we have to find now. So here length is equal to 18 centimeter, breadth is equal to 40 centimeter, deep means depth, height is equal to 2 centimeter. Volume of the soil is equal length into breadth into height. Do multiplication, you will get the answer. Next one, fourth one. Find the volume of 20 ice cubes, each of side 5 centimeter. So one ice cube side given ma. So one ice cube side given. We have to find the volume of 20 ice cubes. That means first we have to find the volume of one ice cube and next we have to find the volume of 20 ice cubes. Now see the fourth question. So side given, side of cube, side of ice cube. Side of ice cube is equal to 5 centimeters. Side of ice cube is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of one ice cube. Volume of each ice cube. Volume of each ice cube. Volume of each ice cube is equal to side into side. So 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 cubic centimeter. 125 cubic centimeter. So we find volume of one ice cube. So total how many ice cubes? Total 20 ice cubes. So we have to find the volume of volume of 20 ice cubes. Volume of 20 ice cubes is equal to, we have to multiply with 20. 125 into 20 cubic centimeter. So here 0 is the 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 1 5, 2 1s are 2. So 2500 cubic centimeter. 2500 cubic centimeter. Fifth question. Swati's almirah is 80 centimeter long, 40 centimeter wide and 90 centimeter high. Length is 80 centimeter, width is 40 centimeter, height is 90 centimeter. What is the volume of almirah? So length, breadth, height given means the almirah is in the shape of a cuboid. So we have to find the volume of a cuboid. Long for length, wide for breadth, height for height. So length, breadth, height given, find the volume of almirah. Next, sixth question. The volume of a wooden plank is 33,750 cubic centimeter. If cuboidal pieces measuring 30 centimeter in length, 50 centimeter in width, 5 centimeter height have to be cut from the wooden plank. So how many pieces of cuboids can be cut from the plank? One wooden plank is there. So the volume of the wooden plank is 33,750 cubic centimeters. From that we are cutting pieces. Again we are cutting some cuboid pieces. So each piece length, breadth, height given. So with that plank, how many cuboids can be cut? We have to find. So first, what is the volume of wooden plank? Volume of a wooden plank. Volume of a wooden plank. Volume of a wooden plank is equal to 33,750 cubic centimeter. So from this they are cutting pieces. So length of each piece is equal to 30 centimeter. Width is equal to 15 centimeter. Height is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to find the volume of each piece of a cuboid. Volume of each piece of a cuboid. Each piece of a cuboid. Volume of each piece of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is equal to 30 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 5 centimeters. So 30 15s 450 into 5 cubic centimeters. So 455 is how much? 505. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. 2250 cubic centimeters. So it is volume of one cuboid. Volume of one piece of cuboid. So they are given wooden plank volume. So we have to do the division. So number of pieces of cuboids. Number of pieces of cuboids cut from plank. So we have to find volume of plank by volume of piece of one cuboid. Volume of plank by volume of each piece. Volume of piece of a cuboid. So volume of plank is 33,750 by cubic meters, centimeters by 2,250 cubic centimeters. So here cubic centimeter cancel. 0, 0 cancel. 25 table. 25 ones are 25 ones. 225 ones are 225. If we take subtraction from that, 7 minus 5 2, 3 minus 2 1, 3 minus 2 1, 1125. So this 1125 will come in what table? 5 table. So the answer is 15. 225 5 1125. So from this plank he can cut how many cuboids? 15 cuboids he can cut from the wooden plank. Question: how many cubes of side 3 centimeter can be cut from a cuboid measuring 18 meter into 12 meter into 9 meter? So how many cubes of side 3 meters? How many cubes can be cut? Side is 3 meter. So the cuboid, we have to cut a cubes from cuboid. We are cutting cubes from a cuboid. So how many pieces can we cut? So each side of the cuboid given. Seventh one, side of a cube given. Side of a cube. Side of a cube is equal to 3 meters. 3 meters. So volume of a cube. What is the volume of a cube formula? Side into side into side. Volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side. So it is 3 meter into 3 meter into 3 meter. So multiply 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 cubic meters. 27 cubic meters. Next one is they gave cuboid. So volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid is equal to 18 meter into 12 meter into 9 meter. 18 meter into 12 meter. It will be keep like this only. Number of cubes can be cut. Number of cubes can be cut from cuboid. Number of cubes can be cut. Number of cubes can be cut from cuboid. So we have to find the volume of cube by volume of cuboid by volume of cube. So volume of cuboid by volume of cuboid by volume of cube. 18 meter into 12 meter into 9 meter by 27 cubic meters. So cubic meters means these all meters will be cancelled. 9 ones are 9 threes are 3 ones are 3 six are. Remaining 18 six are 18 into 6. So 18 six are 108 cubes can be cut from the cuboid. Next one is a rectangular wall is 27 meter long, 60 centimeter thick and 4 meter high. If cube shaped bricks of side 30 centimeter each are used, how many bricks will be required to build the wall? So here also it will be like same like 7th question, but here 27 meters convert into centimeters ma. 2700 it will get long. Next width it will give 60 centimeter. Height 4 meters given, that means 400 centimeters. So same like we have to find the volume of the wall and volume of rectangular wall, volume of brick. So volume of rectangular wall by volume of brick do. Will you get the answer? All these problems do in your classwork with neat handwriting.